guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani, for those who don't know me, and I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And last week, somebody requested that I do a sunset eyeshadow look using the Huda Beauty Neon Orange palette. So that's what we're going to be doing today. For those who don't know what that palette looks like, here's the outside of it, and there's a close-up. So that is the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette, the orange version. So today I'm going to be creating a sunset eyeshadow look using this. If you guys have any looks that you would like me to try creating, let me know in a comment below. I have no problem doing that. I want to create content that's interesting for you guys, so just let me know what you want to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in so that we can get started with the makeup. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and to show your support. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and zoomed you in. Let me know if this is good for you guys when I'm doing my eyeshadow, if this is like close enough that you can see everything I'm doing. Just let me know in a comment below, because somebody said that I don't zoom in enough, so working on it. Alright, so as per usual, the first thing I'm gonna go in with is my Morphe concealer, shade C3.25. Just gonna apply that to my lid and buff it out using a Morphe M173, which is just a little mini buffer brush. And I like to buff that all over my lid and then upwards towards my brow as well, just to give me a nice base for the eyeshadow. Alright, so I wasn't sure with this sunset look if I wanted to do kind of like the up to down or the side to side. I think for, given my tools, I think I'm going to do the up to down, because I don't have very many precise brushes. So I feel like when you do like that gradient, that it's good to have like more precise brushes. A lot of my brushes are really fluffy. So I'm going to go ahead and do the gradient top to bottom. So again, this is the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions orange palette. I'm going to go in to this yellow shade right here on a big fluffy brush. This is my Morphe M504. And I'm just going to blend that right above my crease. And blend it kind of into my crease as well. So really kind of above my crease, but then also into the crease as well, to provide a nice transition into our next shade. The next color I'm going to go in with is this nice orangey shade down here, and I'm going to apply that right in my crease area. And then I'm going to kind of blend it into the yellow, but not much. And then right below that orange shade, I'm going to go in with this color here. I'm not really sure what to call this color, but that's the next shade I'm going to go into. I'm going to place that right below that orange. Okay, so I actually covered up my orange. I need to go with a smaller brush. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe M506 with that shade, and I'm going to have to go back and kind of fix my orange. So I'm going to take the same brush, I'm going to go back in with that orange and place it right above that shade I just used. Just trying to get that orange back in there. Next, I'm going to take this little bullet brush and I'm going to go into this purple shade here. And just apply that right below Now I'm just blending out some of these lines using that Morphe M506. There's nothing on this. I'm just trying to kind of smooth out some of these transitions a little bit. So now that I kind of have like a baseline, I'm gonna go back in and kind of just like pop some of these colors. So first I'm gonna go back in with my yellow and just try to get that yellow to pop a little bit more. Orange. So I'm not really a fan of how that purple looks, so I'm gonna go in with a new brush. It's this one right here. It doesn't have a number, but this is what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that purple and just kind of put it there and blend that a little bit better. Just realized I didn't prime my face, so we're gonna prime, and then I'm gonna do my brows. And then for my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown and a Morphe angled brush. And then I'm just gonna set those brows using my Essence Clear Brow Gel. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm the shade Cinnamon. Next, I'm going to go back in with some of that Morphe concealer. And then blend that out using a beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to set my under eye using my Huda Beauty Contour powder. And then I'm just using that beauty sponge again. So now that we have our under eye set, I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye shadow. Not really sure how I want to do this. So for my under eye area, I'm gonna just go ahead and like skip the yellow because I don't think it's gonna show up very well anyways. So instead, I'm going to go first in with this coral shade. If that's what you want to call it. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M213 and I'm going to pick up that orange. And I'm just going to apply that. This is not working. I thought it was going to work, but we're just gonna keep going. So right now I've got a little bit of that coral and a little bit of that orange going on underneath my eye. You can't really tell, it all kind of looks like one color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my my bullet brush, I'm gonna go back into that orange, and I'm going to kind of buff that out a little bit. And then I'm gonna take a flat definer brush. This is the Morphe M432, and I'm just going to pick up some of that purple. And I'm gonna apply that as close as my lash line as I can get. I feel as though this is going really well until this moment here. Okay, so it's not quite, my under eye is not quite turning out how I was planning for it to turn out, but it looks cohesive. It looks like it belongs with the look. I don't know. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that coral on my Morphe M506 and just kind of blend that. I decided to abandon ship on this under eye. I don't know. I got you guys as far as the lid. Under eye, I don't know. I thought it was gonna work out better, and I don't know what to say. So we're gonna move on to liner. So I'm using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera because I feel like I'm going to mess this up if I try to do this on camera. So I'll be right back. Now we're going with some mascara. I'm using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And I'm just applying a light coat of mascara so that my eyelashes blend in with the lashes that I wear. Next I'm going to do some bronzer. I'm going in with my Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze. And for blush, I'm going to be using Cover FX in Warm Honey. So I completely forgot to apply my powder, but I've already done my bronzer and my blush, so we're just going to skip it for today. Next, I'm just going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And then I'm going to go with some lashes. This is the Ardell Naked Lashes in 421. I'm going with these because I don't really want to cover up my eyeshadow. I want it to be able to poke through there. So these add a nice bit of length and a little volume, but nothing that's too much. And then for lips, I'm going to go with my Dose of Colors gloss. This is in Tough Cookie. I hope you guys enjoyed this sunset eyeshadow makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. Also, leave me a recommendation down below in a comment if there's anything else that you would like to see me film. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.